Now let's talk about the last attempt done by Henry Moseley, right? We saw the attempts done by three scientists, that is first of all done by Dobereiner, right? How he arranged group of three increasing order of atomic masses. Afterwards John Newlands, right? Increasing order of atomic masses, and after every eighth element properties were similar. Then finally by the Mendeleev, right? Properties of elements are periodic function of the atomic masses. Basically same ही होता है, after some period the properties are going to repeat. And let's see the last one done by the Henry Moseley in the year 1913. So let's start with that one, Henry Moseley. So what he said, let's start. So atomic number of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic masses. अभी तक सारे के सारे साइंटिस्ट ने फोकस किया था किस पे? एटॉमिक मास पे. But what Henry Moseley say, he said that atomic number is the most important property than the atomic mass when we classify. Remember, right? More fundamental property, right? So he tried to arrange elements based on atomic numbers because he said that is the more fundamental property than the atomic masses. So let's discuss in detail then. So Henry Moseley modified Mendeleev's table. First of all, obviously Mendeleev's table was superior, right? Compared to the other ones. Yes, there were some limitations that we discussed, but it was good. So, right, he modified Mendeleev's periodic law, right? Mendeleev's periodic law was what? Atomic masses, right? Chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of the atomic masses, but here he modified to the atomic number. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic number, right? याद रखो atomic number के बेस पे सब कुछ है ये periodic table में, right? This is modern periodic law. It is known as the modern periodic law as well, right? Based on the atomic number. याद रखो सारी चीजें atomic number पे ही होनी है. Right, let's talk about this another thing over here, right? When elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number, so far we were only arranging on the increasing order of their atomic masses, but याद रखो यहाँ सब कुछ atomic number पे करना है आपको, right? The properties of elements are repeated. याद रखो न्यूलैंड्स ने क्या बोला था? After every eighth elements properties are being repeated. The same is observed over here, but not after every eighth element, right? Repeated after certain regular intervals. That interval is not fixed. न्यूलैंड ने क्या किया था कि after every eighth repeat होनी ही है, और प्रॉब्लम्स आने शुरू हुए थे after what? Calcium, right? तो here that period is not fixed, right? It depends certain regular intervals. It's not fixed for every element. That's what he said. This repetition of properties of elements after certain regular interval is known as what? Periodicity into the right properties, right? Periodicity matlab after every period properties are going to repeat. That's what Henry Moseley say, right? तो याद रखो modern periodic law and what is periodicity of the right elements. So let's see how the periodic table looks like. This is what right periodic table looks like. You can see there are so many boxes over here, right? Specific these two columns over here, right? And this is completely empty, right? Now let's write the few properties. First of all about the groups. याद रखो groups वही है जो मेंडलीव के टेबल में हमने डिस्कस किया था. Standing one, right? Columns are called groups. So there are 18 groups into the modern periodic table. याद रखो dash number of groups are there into the modern periodic table, that is 18. Very simple. And the row we call as usual, that is the what? Period. And there are 7 periods. Remember there are not 9 periods over here, right? We don't give the number. These are going to come over here only. We'll discuss into the periodic table. So there are 7 periods. Don't count this 2 as the unique period, right? So there are 7 periods. याद रखो. और कितने group है? 18 groups है modern periodic table में. We are going to repeat these terms again and again. ये group है, group में ये होता है, period में ये होगा, group में ये होता है. This is going to come again and again. तो ये याद रखो कि पीरियड मतलब व्हाट? रो, एंड ग्रुप मतलब क्या होगा? वर्टिकल, और यू कैन से कॉलम, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट पीरियड our periodic table looks like, right? So these are all the elements. You have the 18 groups and it is almost filled. There are few elements that we are still trying to make artificially, right? Or maybe want to identify. And see, these are this complete, right, row is going to come over here, right? Lanthanides and actinides it is known as, and this is over here, this is also going to come over here, right? So it is not this separate period. I told you there are only 7 periods into the modern periodic table, not 9. Don't get confused, right? This blue color are called what? Non-metals, right? You have the dark yellow one, that is the metalloids. We are going to discuss what is metalloids, sir. अभी तक तो पढ़ाई की नहीं metalloids की, right? And this red color kind of is called what? Metals, right? So there are more metals you can see over here, very less metals, right? And they are like arranged in the proper way, right? कि सारे नॉन मेटल्स यहाँ है, मेटल्स उस साइड है, बीच में है मेटेलॉइड्स, राइट? दिस इज ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, राइट? बहुत अच्छी तरह से अरेंज किया है. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट, राइट? एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द एटॉमिक नंबर्स, राइट, इट इज बीइंग अरेंज्ड बेस्ड ऑन द एटॉमिक नंबर, not based on the atomic mass. So see, hydrogen it starts from first, right? Then second over here, that is helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, right? This is how numbers are given, right? So if there is a gap between over here, right, you need to skip it, don't give the number to it, right? So we can see I've just given number till 54 only. You can just still go and count over it. So this is what modern periodic table looks like, right? So what we discussed so far, right? Whatever we are right now using modern periodic table, we traveled actually from the Dobereiner to Newland to Mendeleev and finally to Moseley, right? So let's summarize it, which attempts were there. First of all, let's start with the Dobereiner triad, right? Increasing order of atomic masses. Same goes with John Newland, increasing order of atomic masses, but properties were repeated after every 8th element. For the Mendeleev, he said that properties are periodic function of what? Atomic masses. And what Henry Moseley say? Properties of elements are periodic function of what? Atomic number, right? So this is all about the different tries and different attempts to classify the elements. Now we are going to discuss few important things or properties that we can learn from the periodic table. So let's start discussing about the few properties related to modern periodic table.